Hey Jennifer, I am making you a quick video to explain your program sheet. So you are in the program during a transition point from an old version of the EDS to a new version. The new version takes place in fall. It begins in fall, and since you go into fall, it involves you as well. And the way it's going to work is we're removing these two classes, 8480 and 8484, from the core. The core used to be a 5-course core of 8461, 8462, 8463, 8480, and 8484. We're removing these from the core, and then we're adding one course into the core. It's going to be called Performance, actually Human Performance Improvement, and it's going to have a special topics number for the fall of 2019. So there'll be 4 courses in the core, these 4, and you have taken this MEDT 8484. Or you're currently, let's see, you're currently taking it, yeah. So that's going to become an elective. So the core is going from 5 courses to 4, and the elective courses are going from 4. It used to be 4 electives, now it's 5. So your 8484 will become an elective for that, so that's great. And before I go any further, let me explain my color coding. We're currently in spring, so I've color coded spring things as green because that's when things sprout green in the spring. So that's what you're working on right now. Yellow for summer, that bright hot sun. So that's what you have registered for. That looks good. And then for fall, this sort of dead leaf kind of look, or future dead leaf look of kind of a burnt orange. That's fall, and I recommend that you take 7485. And if you do that, then you will have your 4 core courses that you need, and your 5 elective courses that you need. Feel free to double check what I've written here. I did take snapshots from BandWeb, put them in the bottom as well. But I think that this is right. You need 9 courses for the program, 4 core courses, and 5 electives. And you look like you're on the path. So go ahead and register, please, for that fall course. I even put the CRN in here. You have to watch out because there are several other 7485 courses called Global Learning with Dr. Haynes, and that's not what you want. You want the Human Performance Improvement with Dr. Arrington with this CRN. All right, thanks so much.